What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the proper way how to tell if your refrigerator is running or not. And grain silos, what the f***? People even use those anymore? So anyway, it is winter. It's cold. It's like really cold. Like, have you ever been so cold that, you know, your nipples became so hard and icy that you could wield them as weapons and pillage smaller villages with them? That'd be awesome. So garbage trucks, why? Why not have the guy who just shows up to your house and be like, hey, you got garbage? Yeah, I got garbage. Where's your garbage? Garbage right there. Garbage right there. Garbage everywhere. See that garbage? Yeah, I see that garbage. Boom. Where'd the garbage go? In space. What? Garbage sent to space. But what about the space environment? There is no space environment. What? That solves all the world's problems because it's in space. You know what's funny? Have you ever been like on a highway and there's this truck that like merges on? He clearly has snow on top of his rig. That's sun. And like it looks like he's got like a fucking snowblower up there, and you know it's really fun. Went over a hill. It's really funny until I get behind him, and I get pissed. I am not a happy sailor. It's like, dude, you're a moron. Nuh-uh. Mom said I just didn't eat my greens. So anyway, that's how to properly check to see if your refrigerator is running. Okay, thanks guys.